Okay, I can see that you have generated continuity throughout your dialogue track and have removed the mistakes from the audio. My first criticism is that you don't appear to have used the normalize function on the individual audio regions in order to optimize the gain level on each region. I would do this by selecting the said region and then going to Audio Suite, Other, and Normalize. The normalize box would then appear on screen and you would then be able to process that waveform. And as you can see, the waveform has now been boosted. Please bear in mind that the normalize function is obviously also boosting your noise floor as well, so you need to be careful when you use this within your playlists. Okay, my second point is that I would recommend that what you in fact do is, rather than just use the single dialogue track, which you have done, that you also utilize the dialogue 2 and dialogue 3 tracks in order to produce a composite take. I would do this by first of all generating a new mono audio track, which would then become your composite track. From this point you could use your edit tools to select particular pieces of audio that you think are best, that have the best characteristics and best performances in. I would then be able to use the command tools in order to make a cut and then drag this particular piece of audio down into the composite playlist. From this point I could then select other pieces of audio to make cuts and begin creating a composite take from the best portions of audio. If you then pop Pro Tools into shuffle mode, you can then drag, and when you drag to the left you'll notice that the regions will automatically snap to the left of one another. Now this helps with your continuity. It means there's going to be no gaps like you have here between the audio. And from this point you can use the crossfade tool to generate crossfades between the individual regions. Now the crossfade is very useful and very important, as it allows you to eliminate any clicks and pops that you may experience when moving from one region to another. This is the best practice for producing a composite take of dialogue, and I recommend that when you get a chance you need to play around with this feature.